Dr. Liz here, doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine, where life becomes better living. Today's topic is the blackberry. The blackberry, delicious. Did you know that the blackberry is not only native to Europe, but North America? And it's sweet by nature with a little bit of sourness to its flavor as well. And it's cooling constitutionally. So it's a great choice for summertime fun. Did you know that the blackberry is high in iron content? We'll make a toast to that. The blackberry is high in the iron content. In fact, the blackberry is one of the most spectacular foods, effectively capable of building the blood, building the iron content. The blackberry treats anemia. Modern science, it's not only delicious and loaded in iron, but the blackberry is rich in vitamin A and many of the vitamin Bs, such as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and ascorbic acid, as well as phosphorus. Today's topic, the blackberry. Thanks for checking in, Dr. Liz, doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine, where life does become a better living. If you enjoy these wellness tips, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, where we will keep these wellness tips coming your way. À jusque demain.